Today we're going to show you how to start a tab for somebody at the bar and then move that person to play pool and possibly even add another player to the tab while they're at the pool table. We start by clicking on B3 here, bar stool 3. We're just going to add one person, and from this point here we can either hit return or cancel, but we're going to click on where it says T23P1 and we're going to add some items to this tab. And we'll do so by clicking the items. You'll see that we have a card for $27.90. I'm going to click the button that says add to tab, and you will see B3 has no rental, though we are keeping track of the time that's needed, and has a cost. We're going to click the lavender box to move, and then click the move button, and we're going to move them to table 2. And at this time here we're going to add a player. We're going to call this player here Ed because he has the tab. And at this point we're going to hit the return in the upper right hand corner, and you'll see that now they're actually accruing rental cost. There's still one tab over on this side that is the tab display side. We got there by clicking the hamburger. You'll see that it was originally T23P1, but it's now named Ed. Unique identifier is BA262, and that it's on table 2. If we want to click the green eye, we can review the tab and even add items to it, such as, say, a Cosmo. We're going to click the add to tab again down in the lower right hand corner, and you'll see that a separate ticket was indeed created. If we hit the clock with the $sign, it's going to take us back to the rental screen, and we'll see that the time has been a minute and around 12 seconds, and that there's 2 players, and right now they owe $39.75. So we're going to go ahead and hit the red stopwatch, and then we can review the bill. You can see that we have table time and 2 tickets that are assigned to Ed's tab. We're going to hit collect, and they are indeed gone from both sides.